Hello silly bakers, let's make a zucchini raspberry protein baked oatmeal. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First we're going to grease a 9x9 baking pan. You can also use an 8x8, but the cooking time will increase. You're going to grab a large bowl and everything comes together in one bowl. We're going to add 2 large eggs. You can also use flax eggs for the recipe. I'm using a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You can decrease that. You can also use any other sweetener that you like. 1/4 cup of nut butter. I'm using peanut butter. You can use any nut or seed butter that you love. 1 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. I would recommend a protein milk for the recipe. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, good quality. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is a Ceylon cinnamon. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to take a second here and mix all of these ingredients until they're nicely incorporated. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of grated zucchini. This was actually 1 medium-sized zucchini that I grated, and I did not squeeze out any of the moisture. So we're just going to mix that through the wet ingredients. And next we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're adding 1.5 cups of rolled oats. This is sprouted rolled oats. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for some omegas and for extra fiber. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 2 scoops of your favorite vanilla protein powder. That's a whey isolate. And we're just going to give all of the ingredients a good mix until everything is nicely incorporated. I am going to add berries on the top, but you could add some chocolate chips instead of the berries or in addition to the berries, and you can add it at this stage. We are going to transfer that to our greased baking pan. And we're going to add our 1/2 cup of frozen raspberries. I like raspberries because of the fiber content, but you could use a combination of raspberries and blueberries, only blueberries, whatever berries that you love. And it's time to bake. 350 for, I would say 35 to 40 minutes until it's nice and set. And it's nicely golden brown. I love to add a nice big dollop of Greek yogurt to the top. Enjoy our zucchini raspberry protein baked oatmeal. Each serving without the Greek yogurt is about 285 calories, 20 grams of protein, and 6 grams of fiber. It is great hot, warm, and even cold. It reheats beautifully and it freezes beautifully also. Enjoy.